Hi you all, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Alyssa, the Curvy Curlista, and I am here with a chit-chat video, but I'll be doing my makeup using Fenty Beauty. I just bought some more stuff, so just came from Sephora, and I just wanted to talk to you guys and update you on where I've been, what I've been up to, and why you haven't seen me. First, I'm going to wipe my face. Yeah, so guys, I've been MIA for a year, maybe even a little over. Haven't really been feeling the want to create content. I really love you guys, and
just taking the table.
I really appreciate you guys, and I'm very thankful for your support. You know when you have to center yourself and you need to just focus? I'm just emptying stuff out of my bag. Sorry guys, I wasn't focused. So I fell off on creating videos. I've still been working. For those that don't know, I am a licensed cosmetologist here in Georgia in the Metro Atlanta area. I just been doing hair, and I went through this kind of transition phase in my career, my hair career, because that is where, you know, my primary income is from. I was working at a salon. You know, that was my first salon experience, and I really loved the environment that I was in, and unfortunately, you know, the salon closed. I was basically having to continue to build my clientele and focus on building my brand, because I had a brand, but I never really did anything with building it. So once the salon closed, we moved, and we're still together. I enjoy them. We moved to a salon. Didn't quite work out at that location. Then we went to another salon. Definitely didn't work out at that location. And now we're here at our new home. We are in our own individual styling suites. I'm actually here filming in my suite. It makes me feel more productive working here in this space. I love my Salon 215 family. To look at another perspective, our family grew. Now, about this channel. This channel started out, and you all familiar with the Naturally Lush brand. Naturally Lush is my salon hairstyling brand. I'm about to use this Pro Filt'r concealer for the first time while I'm talking to y'all. So I got the shade 350. My actual shade, I'm in between shades right now. I don't know. I got the 380 over the summer. 380 over the summer. I was matched for the 360 now that it's colder. I mean, there's a difference. This is more golden, this is more orange. So if one doesn't work, we mixing the two. Hey, we rolling with it. Anyway, so yeah, Naturally Lush is my hairstyling brand. This is one that I'm building as a stylist. So I know typically when you use these concealers, you're supposed to get the matching number to your foundation. So it's gonna be really interesting, because this is the one that the lady at Sephora matched me for. I am not a makeup artist, but you know, I'm a makeup enthusiast. That's what we're gonna call me, makeup enthusiast. So I'm gonna start with this concealer, put it underneath my foundation. I'm still using that name, but it's not my online persona. It is my hairstyling. As of right now, we're in the suite, so my hairstyling suite. So like when you go and book an appointment with me, I'm looking in the viewer to do my makeup, make sure it's blended. So when you go to book an appointment with me, you're going to naturallylush.co. And on there is my site with all my other links. But if you scroll down, my booking link is there. The reason why I'm putting this underneath because I feel like this might be too light. It looked good in the store, but you know, I see it now. So yeah, I put it underneath because I want to make sure this whole foundation situation work out. Oh, my box is dirty now, but I got this in my Fit Fab Fun box, the makeup drop. I don't know if y'all seen that before. I'm gonna try this out too. Oh, it's cute. It's like a little silicone applicator. I didn't open it yet, so I just knew that it said that it was something to apply makeup. Well, look at it, it's all glittery. So cute. Okay. I don't know how good it's gonna be for blending, but we're gonna apply the makeup with it. So this is the, I'm gonna go in with the 360. Oh, I did two pumps. All right, kind of afraid. This is my shade, y'all. I don't know. About to find out. So now, this year, my main focus is #1, Naturally Lush. You know, me as a stylist, and this is a lot of foundation. Me as a stylist and my clients, that's #1. #2, I have a blog now. Beauty, clothing, hair, products. Yeah. I don't like this foundation. So we might go in with that one. About to finesse it. Alright, this is the 380. And let's put a little here. Little here. This is hilarious, y'all. Told y'all I wasn't a makeup artist. I should have just stuck with my summer shade, and who cares if I was darker. This ain't working. Nope. But you know what? We gotta wait for it to oxidize, so I won't judge it completely. So this is so funny to me. Oh, it might not look that bad. Or it just looks better. Oh, you know what it is? I'm looking in the mirror and it does match in the mirror. I mean, on camera, it looks very ghostly. Casket ready. Casket shop. So when I went to Sephora, I forgot to get a concealer shade for contouring. So we're just gonna use my matchstick in the shade Truffle. And hopefully this will help. Alright. So yeah, what was I saying? Oh yeah, so I have a website, a lifestyle blog, that's what it is. I have a lifestyle blog where I'm gonna be talking about clothing and I don't know, do I like this shade? I think I like to be darker than what I actually am. I think that's what it is. I am blending away. I can't concentrate because I'm trying to figure this out. I can't concentrate. I'm trying to figure out what I'm about to look like. Does it look bad? I don't think it does. Let me see. Alright, so this is what I'm figuring out. This concealer, the shade that was chosen for me, not that I don't like it. I'm just glad I put it under my foundation. It's like, I guess if you're looking for that snatched beat highlight, that's what it's for, because that's what it's doing, and that's not the look that I like. I like a more natural look. So yeah, I have a lifestyle blog now. And if you hear any background noise, it's because I'm at work filming. that's what I'm doing now. I have a lifestyle blog and I go by the name The Curvy Curlista because number one, y'all see y'all girl. And number two, you all know my hair. I do hair, I do natural hair, that's what I do. So I'll be featuring videos with myself, some of my clients, haul videos. I know you all like those haul videos. I'm just excited. I have other things coming up and you'll just have to stay tuned to see what all I have for you all. My face is done. It seems to be as good as it gets. Did I find my brow powder? Where you at? Oh, I found it. Okay, I also picked this up. It's not Fenty, but it's Urban Decay. I've seen mixed reviews on it, but it was after the fact, and your girl was not going back to Sephora. I live too far to go back to Sephora. So we're just gonna use it anyway. It comes with a brush. This is my first time buying Urban Decay. Child, I don't know about makeup. I told y'all I wasn't a makeup artist. I'm a makeup enthusiast. I love the look of makeup. I know that I'm capable of doing makeup looks. So that's why I want to include it. When y'all looking for advice, at least not yet. Wait till I got a few more videos under my belt and a few more trips to Sephora under my belt, cause I'm learning with you. Oh, it's so pretty. Yeah, I'm not used to being yellow, but anyway. The Heat palette, and I'll use their brush because I feel like it's gonna help. I'm assuming that's why they include it. I don't know. All right, so I'm gonna go in with Low Blow. That seems to be close to my shade. Yeah, Low Blow. Oh, it's a little darker than what I wanted, but it's okay. All right, so I'm gonna put this all over my lid. And then, let me see. Cayenne. Cayenne looks good. We'll go with Cayenne. We'll put Cayenne right in my crease. These are pretty. Anyway, yeah, so you'll be seeing more from me, basically. That's what I wanted to tell you. I won't go MIA, at least not for long. Let me start with I won't go MIA. How about that? And if it happens, it happens, but that's not my goal. My goal is to push out videos every week because I want to see y'all every week. I want to hear from y'all every week. Oh, I use this little spray and it actually cleaned my brush. Okay, okay, girl. And it's dry. Okay. All right, so I always go for like the slightly, like a neutral, smoky look. That's that. Yeah, so I plan on making a video and have it ready for you all every week. So you'll be looking for me. Y'all better be looking for me every week. No, just kidding. But yeah, I wanna have that for you. Maybe I'll put a little bit of En Fuego. Very tiny bit. Let me see, do I got a small brush? That was pretty. I'll take the fluffy brush and blend that out. Another update is we were blessed enough to be able to move, and now we are in a 2-bedroom loft, and it's beautiful. It's gorgeous. Every day I come home, it's like I'm home. Like, I just love it. It's enough space, but I'm just very grateful for where we are now and the ability to move where we are now. Normally I start at the bottom of my brow. I have no clue. I think because I'm talking to y'all. And I don't have to fill in my eyebrows. Y'all see I have hairs in my eyebrow. I just like the look. It just looks cleaner to have that line, I guess. I don't know. I don't know what it is, but I just like it. Let me put some stuff on these ashy lips. This is some lip balm that is really, this is 40% coconut oil. And it's been my favorite. This is my second tube in like a month and a half. So it must be good. I must really love it. You know, you gotta concentrate on the brows. This is how you know that I'm not a makeup artist. I use the applicator that comes with the brow stuff. Well, I like the eye look. Am I doing this right? Do y'all like it? Thumbs up if you like it. Alright, well, I'll put a little bit of Colourpop StingRaye from, you know, it's my Ray collaboration with Colourpop. Just a tiny bit in the center. Rub my lips together. Give it a little bit of color, and then my gloss bomb. I have a tiny one, but I don't know where my big one went. I have no clue. But yeah, so my natural lip color looks like I have a natural lip liner, so I just put the gloss on top. And boom. That's it. I'm not really a highlighter girl. I do like the, I'm looking for the rum. We'll just put a little bit of this, so I'll put it on the tip of my nose and around here. I have no clue if this is where highlight supposed to go. Oh, guess I just found out, huh? And we'll use the sponge. Get a slight glow. There you go. Slight. And my nose is fine. And there's my final look. You're just watching this very long video with me, Alyssa, the Curvy Curlista. Thank you. I would like for y'all to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so y'all know when you're going to see another video. And I will see you in my next video. Oh, and if you want details on where I got this cute little headband, I will leave it in the description box below. And thank you guys for watching.